Hello everybody, this is Justin Russo and welcome to Don't Shit Your Pants. I just started and I still shit my pants. Okay, that's great. Wait. Shit. I just shit my pants. Okay. Okay. I'm going to shit. Take off the pants. Shit. I just shit on the floor. Okay, that's nice. Play. Polar. Okay, take off pants and shit in toilet. Yes, I just shit in toilet. That's nice. Okay, play. Pull door. Shit in toilet. Okay, I'm just trying to get all the achievements. Oh, don't shit your pants. Okay. Die. Oh my god, that actually did something. Okay. Need pay. Take pill. Heart. Light. I mean, not slowly. Oh my gosh, it's a relief. What a relief. It's supposed to give you an achievement. You have to wait a while. You guys get to listen to music. I'm just... Thanks to me, I put music with the video. Yay, the code worked. You didn't do your pants. Woohoo! Wait, what? No. Oh, maybe it didn't work so well. Okay, that's fine with me. Play. And shit, of course. Who cares about this game? I'm just gonna wait till the time runs out. Sorry about the mic if there's a little, like, whatever, yawn. Let's poop it down, woohoo! And no. Shit my pants. Okay. Thanks everybody. Like and subscribe. Hope you like it. Remember people, don't shit your pants.